Hi everyone. Today I'm very excited to tell you guys that I recently went to a book fair. You might be thinking, Anusha, you already have so many books. Do you need more books? The answer to that question will always be an yes. Another interesting thing is that this is the first book fair that I am attending, and let me take you through the journey. It was a load the box book fair hosted by Kitab lovers in Forum JP Nagara. I took a metro to reach the venue. The book fair was held in the fourth floor. There were thousands of books arranged in the racks. The idea here is that we can fit as many books as possible in the box and pay fixed price for the box. The books were arranged in different sections like non-fiction, crime, romance, teens fiction, which helped a lot while browsing such a huge number of books. Me and my friends grabbed a lot of books, sat on the floor discussing which one to keep and which ones to put back. There were a number of gorgeous books that I was seeing for the first time. I was admiring the beautiful covers and reading the blurb to see if it's something that interests me. I think this is one thing I really liked in the book fair. I picked a lot of hidden gem of books that are generally not talked about in BookTube or Bookstagram, and I am really looking forward to read them. Finally, we picked the biggest box and tried to fit all our books. Basically, I bought two-thirds of the books, the remaining ones were picked up by my friends. I even gave some recommendation to my friends on what to choose. Then we had lunch, we visited my friend's home, had some fun there. It was a great day. Let me just show you all the books that I got, and I'll also give you a liner on why did I pick those up. Okay, the first book that caught my eye in the book fair was called It's Okay, I'm Wearing Really Big Knickers by Louis Remison. The title was very catchy, and I found out that this is the second book in the series, so I looked for the first book. I got that as well. It's called Angus Thongs and Full Frontal Snogging. There were other books of the series as well, but I thought I'll read these two first and see how the series goes. There was this copy of Sea Prayer by Khaled Hosseini. He is my favorite author, that's why I could not miss it. It has beautiful art inside, which is obviously a plus, and I can't wait to pick this up. I love Christmas movies, rom-coms that are set during the holiday. When I saw this book, the title felt like it's such a perfect winter read. It's called Snowflakes and Cinnamon Swirls at the Winter Wonderland by Heidi Swan. That's the reason I picked it up. I wanted to read from some of these authors from a long time. The first one is Jodi Picoult. I got her Small Great Things and Picture Perfect. It also has a sprayed edge. I think this is my first sprayed edge book. The next author is Cecilia Ahern. I got Lyre Bird from her, and this was the prettiest hardcover that was present there. This year I want to get into more classics, so I got Peter Pan by J.M. Barrie and Lord of the Flies by William Golding. I really loved The Color Purple by Alice Walker. As soon as I saw another book from her, I just went and grabbed it. So this is Meridian by Alice Walker. The next book is called Room by Emma Donoghue. I had seen the movie adaptation of this and it had really moved me. I do want to read this and have that experience. I also got some books from kids section. So this is Beauty and the Beast. It's called Awful Auntie, and the last one is SEO Trot. So these are the two books that I got that were written by Indian authors. First one is called Mustache by S. Harish. The next one is The Earth Spinner by Anuradha Roy. So I read the blurb of these two books and I really liked them. These intrigued me, and this year I want to read more from Indian authors. So that's the reason I got these two books. They say never judge a book by its cover. They also say never. So I got these two books based on how pretty their covers were. The first one is called My Name is Red by Orhan Pamuk. It's from a Turkish author. The next book is Madame Barua by Ruth Hogan. Seriously, see how pretty the covers of these books are. So these are all the books that I got from Book Fair. For more bookish content, subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Bye!